Welcome back to the Steve Champagne Radio Show. Welcome back, I Love Music Army. I'm saying hi to all the viewers watching this channel for the first time today as we tackle a subject that is very, very important. This is going around and it's causing a lot of issues and problems, and even artists are speaking out about it. So I had to make a video about this thing today. Now, for those of you who haven't joined the I Love Music Army, right here, our internet musical global family of friends where we talk about all things music and entertainment. We invite you to join us, and we have some definitely interesting topics to discuss, this being one of them. All right, let's get right into this. Here's what's happening. Scammers are posting fake news on social media. And what they'll do is they'll have what appears to be a legitimate news article about a band or a famous celebrity, rock star, whatever, with exclusive content. And then once you click on that to find out about the news by commenting, liking, or whatever, then you're really in their crosshairs. Now, these people aren't random scammers. They're specifically targeting classic rock people because they know people that are into classic rock are very passionate, about their artists. I mean, there are some pop stars that they're putting out there too, but they're really only targeting the people that are passionate about certain bands, and especially the older ones. Now, this isn't just theoretical. Real people are losing a lot of money here. The Richie Blackmore scam, if you haven't heard about that, you had an 81-year-old grandmother lose almost 180 grand over this. Joe Elliott's come out on his Instagram and Facebook and all that, posting a warning about it. Even Joe Walsh from the Eagles has come out and said something about it. So it's getting kind of serious now, and I know that I'm seeing these articles and it's making me want to click on it. Because obviously I do a radio show and I do news and I want to know about all this stuff. Now, here's exactly how they do it and what they're doing. First, they create some kind of really professional fake news article about, one of your favorite bands or artists, okay? And they use the algorithms to know what you've searched and what you've done in the past. It looks really professional, but it's some kind of story. I just saw one today that said Paul McCartney turns down $200 million deal, or is offered $200 million to play. Here's what he said. Something like that. But once you click on the article, now they have, they know you're interested. They start searching for your personal information. That they're able to get that stuff once you engaged by clicking or commenting or liking with that. Now, these people are highly trained professionals. I mean, a lot of people don't realize that a thief thinks all day long how to steal. So a lot of people don't, they just see this cool news article. What did he say? What did he want? So it's easy to click on it. Even I've done it a few times myself. So it's important that you verify the information really before you click on a story that may be interesting, like someone died or something like that. Anything could be out there. The sale of information is big business out there. I mean, you go to a website all the time and it says, do not sell, or, watch the cookies, or whatever the case may be when you go to a certain website there, because them selling your personal information is big business. But this goes beyond that. In some cases, they wait a few days or even weeks, and then you'll get a message from someone claiming to be the actual artist. And then they start engaging with you, and over a couple months, they build trust with you, and the next thing you know, they're asking you for money. But the more you engage or the more you click, then they have access to your personal information, and your email gets flooded with God knows how many crazy emails that you're going to get. Now, what you may not know is that a lot of real artists have verified accounts. They have these little blue check marks up there that you can cross-reference with any news websites that you might have, but you need to trust your instincts. If it sounds crazy or wild, go to Google or go to another search engine, if you don't like Google, to find out if this is true before you go back and click on it, or you can just go to the actual news sites. Or another option that you could choose is simply to join us, our internet musical global family of friends that I affectionately call the I Love Music Army. If it's a big news story, trust me, I'm going to be reporting on it, so you won't have to worry about that. And then, of course, going to YouTube, clicking on a video that I make is not going to go algorithm crazy and get personal information because I'm not into all that stuff. But I do look out for your safety. And because I've actually clicked on these things and things have happened to me because of it, I wanted to make this video to help you, if I could, to prevent anything from happening. And I would love to hear if you've had a problem, you've had an issue, you've been hacked, you've been scammed, because we want to share videos like this, especially on social media, to prevent people from having any issues or problems. I read every single comment, and I'm excited really to find out how many people share this video and have had an issue similar to the one that I've had. Let's stop these spam classic rock emails. It's going to be classic rock, a bad name especially, so we don't want that to happen. In the meantime, from the Sea Champagne Radio Show, I say to you, keep the music playing and the good times rolling. We will be back before you know it. And I look forward to talking to each and every one of you real soon. Peace, love. That's all, folks.